صل على رسول الكريم أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Respected headmaster, sir, honorable chief teacher, and my dear friends, today I am studying in front of you to say something about my favorite leader. Many of Muslims will participate to the India from British Sultan, Hyder Ali, Tipu Sultan, Shaheed Ashfaq Khan, Maulana Hazrat Mohani, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, and he but my favorite leader is this one. Dr. Salih served as third president of India, and he was also the first Muslim president of India. He was born on 8 February 1897 and founded Jamia Millia Islamia University of Delhi. He was founded उनके हाथ में अमानत थी वतन की जिंदगी, उनके हाथ में अमानत थी वतन की जिंदगी, एक आमी बाबा थे डॉक्टर साकिर थे।